So students, today we are going to start chapter 9 of class 10 mathematics, that is some applications of trigonometry. Okay, we have gone through the basic concepts of trigonometry. We have gone through different identities, different problems we have already solved, and now today we are going to start applications of trigonometry. So in applications of trigonometry, in exercise 9.1 it is given that a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stressed and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Okay. So one diagram is also given just at the right part of the question. So we will try to draw the diagram first. So AB, we have to consider AB is the height of the pole and the distance of the bottom part of the rope from the pole is BC. We have considered BC, and AC is the height, AC is the length of the rope. Okay, so here it is given that length of the rope is AC is 20 meter. The angle is what? Angle is 30 degree, and we have to got the height, that is AB. So I am giving you one clue that in applications of trigonometry, after going through the question, our target is to form a right angle. Whatever it is given in the question, it will form a right angle. In few questions we will get the two right angles. Okay, whenever we will go through different questions, then you will get the ideas. And if you remember that, if you keep in mind that we have to form what? Right angle after going through all the questions of what? Applications of trigonometry. Okay, so here from figure it is clear that we can write from figure AB equal to height of the pole, and we have to find the height of the pole. Okay, we have to find what? We have to find AB, and AC is given as AC is the length of the rope, that is 20 meter, and the angle given in question, that angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so we have to find AB, and we have given AC, that is hypotenuse is given, and we have to find what? Perpendicular with respect to the angle, this angle. Okay, so we know through ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse we will get sine and cosec. Okay, please listen my words. We have to find AB, and AB is the perpendicular, AC is given, and AC is the hypotenuse, and we have to know all the 6 ratios of trigonometry, that is sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. So through these two ratios we have to find what? We have to find AB. So from triangle ABC, sine 30. When we have gone through the concepts, it was considered as theta. Now it is given the acute angle, that 30 degree. So we can write sine 30 equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Okay, so we have to know the different values of the angles, that is common angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So if you gone through a table given in textbook, if you gone through, then you will get the values. Okay, so sine 30, if you gone through, you will get the value of sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is half. Sine 30 what? We have taken half, it is given in the table. If you gone through, you will get AB by AC here given is what? 20. In question it is given that length of the rope, AC is denoting the length of the rope, it is given as 20. So here 2AB equal to 1 into 20 is 20. So AB equal to 20 by 2 is 10 centimeter. 10 meter, sorry, 10 meter. Therefore, what we have got? We have got the height of the pole equal to 10 meter. Therefore, height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. Okay. So this is our first question. We have gone through applications of trigonometry and 16 more questions. That is, we have done one question, 15 more questions are there in exercise. We will try to solve one by one. So stay with me. Thank you all.